Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, we'll be going over Casper Network, which right now is performing very well in price. We'll be discussing what is going on with Casper to cause this surge in price, and then we'll be taking a look at the price chart to go over the most important levels to have in terms of buying and selling. So if you want to find out the best prices to get into Casper, if you don't have any right now, or the best prices to sell in the short to mid-term, this is the video for you, so be sure to stick with me until the very end. Also, if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Anyways, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. So to start things off, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, which is at $979 billion as we speak, and Bitcoin is trading for $19,577. So Bitcoin and Ethereum still trading in their very tight, narrow trading range that they've been in for weeks now. But of course, this video is about Casper Network, and something very exciting about Casper right now is that we don't have to go to the second or third page of CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap anymore to take a look at the price of Casper. All we need to do now is scroll down, and we will see it right here at rank number 84. Casper Network CSPR currently trading for 4.6 cents with a market cap of $483 million. Now, the total supply of Casper is 11.2 billion coins. Right now the circulating supply is 10.4 billion. If you want to find out how to stake your Casper to grow your bag passively, something we've been doing here on the channel for over 1 year now, hit this tag right here. It will take you to my full staking tutorial for Casper Network. Now, when it comes to Casper's price and price history, it technically has never really been through a full bull market. The all-time high over here, May of 2021, was $1.33, and the all-time low took place around 4 months ago at 2.2 cents. Right now, Casper trading at 4.6 cents, so it's still pretty close to the lows. The low is 2.2 cents. Right now, it's 4.6. Not a crazy price difference. Obviously, it is over 100%, and that means a lot if we're going to start talking about 100x opportunities. If something's already up 100% from the bottom, it's going to take a lot more to get 100x. But even still, $4, $5 for Casper is a possibility in the future, but let's not get ahead of ourselves, start counting our chickens before they hatch. But you should be aware that Casper does have the potential to reach these price levels in the future, and let's start going over why right now. So first of all, Casper is a layer 1 blockchain similar to something like Ethereum, but it has something called upgradable smart contracts. That means when a developer releases a smart contract, they can upgrade it at any time in the future. This is huge. This adds a ton of usability to the network. It's very developer friendly, as we can see here. And another thing to know about Casper is that it's built for enterprise grade clients. We're not talking about small little fishes here. We're talking about the big boys, the people with money. They will be the ones using and backing Casper Network, which is very key to know. So Casper has a very big following. I've seen this Twitter account grow from like 20, 30K followers to now 177K over the past year or so. So this thing has been gaining a lot of steam, which is very cool to see. Casper getting a lot of attention nowadays, obviously, with its increasing price. So let's go over the roadmap of Casper right now to see what is going on. So we are over here in October of 2022, and they did just introduce the CEP78 standard for their new enterprise grade NFTs. That's very exciting. So the CEP78, it includes a bunch of stuff, but the main thing to know is that Casper, like I just said, is an enterprise level blockchain. This is not being built for your mom and pop. This is being built for Fortune 500 companies. And NFTs, we've talked about here in the channel, how they're going to be more than just a profile picture in the future. They're going to be used for pretty much everything, including things like real estate. We can see here tangible modality for recording whether the NFT represents a physical, digital, or virtual asset, i.e. a trademark, a property deed for a residential property, maybe commercial property. Who knows what's going to happen in the future with Casper Labs and its upgradable NFTs, right? These are upgradable NFTs. So developers will be able to upgrade the smart contracts after they do actually go live. And we can read here, NFTs, the broader use case across different sectors and industries, While art and music are important, NFTs promise much more functionality. We're talking about real life applications like enterprise use cases, the real estate industry, academic certifications, so degrees for college maybe or stuff like that. Pretty useless. Patent ownership and so on. Upgradability and safe environment to ensure provenance and trust are key to realizing the full potential of NFTs. The Casper NFT standard paves the way for NFT creators and businesses to take full advantage of this innovation. So this is very exciting here for Casper Labs. Heading back to the roadmap, there's going to be a bunch of stuff happening into 2023, as we can see here. First of all, Casper 1.5 will be launching in Q4, which is pretty much right now. And then going into January of 2023, they're going to be talking at Davos at the World Economic Forum. So depending on how you look at the world, that's a major green flag or a major red flag. I just want to see the price of Casper keep on going up. I'll leave my overall opinion out of it. So yeah, great. They're going to speak at Davos. Amazing. Yeah, wow. Leave a like button if you think it's great too. Smash that like button, I should say. Anyway, Casper 2.0 will be launching in 2023 in Q1 or Q2. Another very exciting major update. And they will be bringing on enterprise level clients in Q2 and Q3, expecting to launch the first few Fortune 500 enterprise clients on the Casper blockchain in Q3 or Q4. All right, and then they will be having some more Series B financing rounds in 2024. So that's the roadmap right now for Casper. A lot of big money is behind this project. It's quickly gaining a ton of market share and attention out there. Very exciting to see. Now let's hop into the price chart and go over what's happening with CSPR in terms of price action. So Casper is a coin that I show every single week here on my channel on my weekly live streams. And we have been tracking this thing for a bit. So we do have the start of this resistance area coming into play at 5 cents. And we did get rejected here in this most recent pump up out of this range. We were going sideways in a range for 157 days. That's over 5 months. We finally did break out on October 16th above 4 cents. That was your top of the range over here. Clean breakout, and we pretty much went parabolic on volume. We are pulling back now. I would not be in a rush to really hop into this. It is definitely a bit overbought. Such a volatile move. You would expect it to pull back. But with what I see right here, I would be looking for a retest. First of all, this wick coming into play at 4.4 cents down to the 4 cent previous resistance area. Now we obviously will be calling it support. And I will go ahead and mark that on my chart, taking this wick high down to the support area. So really 4.4 cents to 4 cents is going to be your next buy zone if you're looking to get into Casper, if you have zero exposure whatsoever and you want to get in before this thing totally takes off. But also please be aware that there is a bit of a demand zone at around 3.7 cents starting at. So we'll go ahead and mark that one as well. And these would be the levels that I would be looking to get into Casper. So I can also pull a fib from swing high. We'll go all the way down to the bear market low. And looking at this fib, we have our 38.2 coming into play at 4.2 cents, also in that green demand area that I did just outline. And then we have our golden pocket coming into play at 3.4, 3.5 cents. These are the two zones that I would be looking at if I had zero Casper and I wanted to buy some, or if I just wanted to top up on my bags. Of course, this thing could just come back into the range and continue to oscillate, but I doubt it. This is a breakout on volume. It's breaking out of some major trend lines here. A bunch of base resistance levels are getting smashed through. So very exciting to see for Casper. This seems like it's definitely the start of something big here. We are seeing the enterprise coins, things like XRP, HBAR, Quant, etc., really accelerate here and leave everything else behind. So this may just be a trend, a fad in the market, or it could stick around and last for a while. Who knows? All I know is that I would love to see the price of Casper keep on increasing and head back up towards that all-time high level, and then ultimately start making new all-time highs, of course. So that is what is happening with Casper right now. These are the most important price levels to have on your chart. Now, if we do keep on pumping from here, right, if this is just a very short-lived pullback, we pull back here and then we start going parabolic again, you can see the levels that I have marked on my chart that are the main resistance areas. We have one coming into play at 7 cents, 8.5 cents, another one at 10 cents, another one at 12 cents. When we get to these lines, I recommend you mark them on your own chart if you're looking to trade Casper. If you're wondering where to buy it, I get mine on MEXC. And we can go ahead and take a look at the markets. It's now on BitGet as well as Qcoin. It was not on Qcoin when we first started looking at it, or BitGet. So a lot more exchanges have been added, and we'll see if more get added in the future. Things like Binance and Coinbase, etc., are definitely possibilities, and that would be major for the exposure of Casper Network. But nonetheless, I use MEXC. You can use BitGet. If you want to use BitGet, there is no spot trading fees right now. I also have a link. It is down in the description below. But again, just to summarize everything and wrap it all up right now, these are your main levels above on Casper: 6.8 to 7 cents, 8.5 cents, 10 cents, and then 12 cents are the areas that I would be looking for to act as major resistance. Expect pullbacks there at the very least. Then we went over our buy areas as well that could potentially work out seriously good. Not financial advice, but I hope that you did enjoy the video. In this video, we went over Casper Network. We went over the roadmap as well as the price action, all the important relevant levels to have your eyes on. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And of course, if you're brand new to Crypto Empire and you enjoyed the content here, be sure to stick around, stay a while by smashing that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you're notified when I release a new video or live stream. Anyways, my name is Connor from Crypto Empire. I'll see you in the next video.